Okay, this is a quick video just to show you we are taking apart the chicken tractor and we are gluing it. One thing that you'll notice are the blue lines on the PVC pipe. That is because when it was together and everything was angled properly, Greg drew those lines to all the connecting pieces so that when he glues it together, those lines will all line up and it will, in theory, fit back together properly. So that's one of the things with this. After you cut everything, you have to put it together and then make those lines and then take it apart and glue it. So essentially, like, it's a pain in the butt, but you have to put it together twice. But that's what we're doing today. And let me show you some of this over here. So some of that we've already taken apart. But you see how he has lined all the pieces up. See, that's an angled piece right there. It's part of that triangle, that vertical support. And so that would be a pain in the butt if it didn't line back up. So that's how we're doing it. We will be gluing this and putting it back together today, and then a little bit later we're going to go by our instructions that we wrote when we were making this and see if we can replicate it. We will let you know how it goes.